an Galemarach, Pith of Warfare.
Well, now, if I may, I'm going to tell you a little about my father, who was the youngest son in my grandfather's family, born in Llanrhaeadr in Wales in 1878. Incidentally, his education was completed at Wadham College, Lascard, which, of course, is now has long since disappeared, but in those days it was referred to as the East Cornwall College. His parents, being determined that their youngest son should not go into mining, got him apprenticed to a draper by St. Paul's Churchyard in London. And there he distinguished himself by becoming a founder member of the London Cornish Association in that same year, 1899, at the age of 21. But the call of mining was too strong for him to resist. And in October 1901, we find him sailing from Liverpool, bound for British Columbia, to join his brother there, now at the age of 23. And by December of that year, he was working underground in the Roslyn district. And subsequently, he became a shaft-sinking contractor in the Centre Star mine at Roslyn, British Columbia. Moving on, he became underground foreman of the Frisco mines, Shoshone County in Idaho, and then he joined the Standard Mammoth mines in Mace, Idaho. Now, these moves covered the period from 1901 to 1908. He returned to Cornwall to become manager of the St. Ives Mining Syndicate Limited, being given the appointment by John Taylor and Sons, the same firm who had employed my grandfather. And this syndicate drove the big Cornglaze adit on the westward extension of the Wheel Corriton mine in St. Ives Parish. Now, he was involved so much in local mining over the whole of southeast Cornwall, particularly the parishes of Warlegan, St. Ives, St. Clear and Lincoln Horn, that it would be impossible to mention all that happened to him. Suffice it to say that his next major engagement overseas took place when John Taylor and Sons offered him appointment as an underground agent on Champion Reef Mine on the Colar goldfields of South India.